Centered. Pause video. Stop recording video.
Hey everyone, welcome to
Near
episode number
bottom edge.
5, video number 1, episode number 5 of the
One
purrful
face near
presentation.
bottom edge.
This is still Halloween night, but it's also very special because this is, we've just had the Halloween
Centered.
festivities. We just went to the harvest party.
Near bottom
And
edge.
now we are at Sunny's place, and we are watching the Blue Jays game. And this is a very special
Near
Blue Jays
bottom
game
right edge.
because it is the game number 6 of the World Series.
Near bottom edge.
And I thought I
Near bottom
wanted to
right
watch
edge.
it with Roy and Sunny because I hate watching
One
baseball
face near
by
bottom
myself.
right edge.
It's crummy. So, come here, kitty.
Near bottom edge. Near bottom right edge.
Sorry. I did my best.
Huh?
Come here, buddy.
No.
One face near bottom right edge.
Yeah, that works too, yeah. Oh, still 3-1.
Near bottom edge.
Did I ask you how Connie's going from the drink in the pool?
Well, it's probably not a good idea.
Oh.
Right. No, and that makes complete sense. I don't. That's why I'm glad you called them because I don't like shoving myself
Zero
on
people.
like that. Especially with a cat too. It's like, here's my 2 new friends and the cat. You know.
Yeah.
Is he? Oh well. Yeah. Well, fair enough. Like I said, I didn't want to give him a big surprise or anything like that.
0 people.
You know. And be like, here's a kitty. Yeah. Well, this kitty is so flaked out from he worked hard at that harvest party, eh?
Yeah.
And now he's doing a second. So usually I do one purrful presentation with Zebulon, and then I'll do one with Sylvester and Peavy.
0
but
people.
We have to do them back to back, so he's going to be a little bit antsy. Antsy, schmancy. Come here. Thank you. Thank you.
One face near bottom right edge.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I agree.
Near right edge. Near bottom right edge.
See with one guy I couldn't take.
Yeah, see, it's hard because I'm watching it, right? But the thing is, I haven't really been watching it all season.
0 people.
So now I'm watching it for basically the first time this year. during Game 6 of the World Series. And I don't know who any of the players are. You know, it's like, okay, this is so silly.
0 people.
Oh, that makes sense.
0 people.
Yeah. Brr. What? What's up your butt? What's up your butt? What's up your butt? What's up your butt? You're a twitchy.
Zero people.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, absolutely. You don't want a bunch of people cheering and everything else, and then the staff being all mad. Good boy. Zippity bibbity bibbity. I brought a bowl, Roy. I brought
0
a bowl
people.
in one of those bags that has water. Or we could put cheesies in the bowl. I forgot to bring food though. We could bring some put some cheesies in the bowl. We can eat something. So he worked pretty hard.
I don't know if he's going to want some or not.
Right, because it's getting later, eh?
0 people.
Oh. Uh-oh, yes.
0 people.
Yes, absolutely. I understand. I lived with a senior citizen for 5 years. Yeah. I love how he just slides across the floor.
0 people.
I don't think we're making that much noise though.
Zero people.
Well, this is supposed to be, I think this is like the 4th or 5th inning. We did start the game late. We did actually go into the game a lot like later because of the harvest party. And we stayed at the harvest party till at least 8:30. And then driving home and getting all set up and trying to find it. So it was like close to 9:30 when we
0 people.
Zebulon, come on. Quit playing around. Come here. Oh yeah.
They will be pounding on my door.
0 people.
You didn't invite them.
Oh, you want some foods, Roy? Daddy, feed me foods. I hear chippies. Look at him.
0 people. 1 face near top left edge, near right edge, near left edge. Centered. 10 minutes. 44 seconds. Near right edge.
No. Well, I don't know. He was if we would have introduced him to Butters when we got him, they probably would have.
Yeah.
Because okay, he might have to go.
What?
He might have to go outside and take a leak. Hey, guy.
Probably not even that.
Oh, that's true. Shoot. We're going to be listening to that all night?
Cats from.
Yeah, he's still trying to get the hang of the therapy cat thing. Hey, Sonny.
Yeah. And I don't think it will
1 face near right edge.
allow
Centered.
the
Near left edge.
cat over.
Near top edge. Near right edge. Near top right edge. Near top edge. Near top right edge.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's why he's got a leash on, right?
Yeah.
And I've got a pouch on me. Here, you want to go back in the
0
pouch?
people.
Want me to yodel? Make you yodel?
1 face near
You
right
want to
edge.
yodel? Because you're getting on my last nerve, kitty.
Near bottom right edge. Near right edge.
Mm.
Near bottom right edge. Near bottom edge. Centered. Near right edge. Centered.
You're going to yodel. Hey,
0 people.
you're driving me nuts.
10 minutes.
What do you
44 seconds.
But I don't want you fishing out.
Near bottom edge.
Oh,
Near bottom right edge.
Oh, no, for sure. Well, that's why we call and ask, right? We don't go there without permission. You know?
0 people.
You are driving me nuts, kitty. I know.
1 face
You're
near
working
top
hard,
right
but-
edge. 0 people.
Seems like we're getting a lot more commercials than baseball, hey? Holy shoot.
1 face near right edge. Near bottom right edge.
yeah.
0 people. Zero people.
a nice way to kick off the holiday season, don't you think?
0 people.
Mhm.
0 people.
Sunday for church
Oh yeah.
like that.
0 people.
St. Joey.
Oh, yeah.
Nice family.
Well, they usually do the breakfast is usually the fourth Sunday of every month.
Yeah.
Zero people.
Did you bring me a hot dog from there?
Yeah, it's in the foot.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
0 people.
Right now,
Don't know if he's got a microwave.
oh, it's okay. Let's eat it.
The entire dog is
Oh,
Okay. Thank you. I'm just, like I said, I got the cat in my camera right now.
Nice.
I didn't want to lose him. Yeah, what game was it?
0
Like, it was
people.
earlier this week, and they did an 18-inning game or something. That was crazy.
Yeah. Well, I know if you want to do something. Oh, gosh.
0 people.
You can't give too much on the path
Well, if you don't mind getting in and out of the van, crazy.
Yeah.
That's a crazy way to get out of the van.
0 people.
Well, that's a bit of a rough landing.
Yeah.
And getting crashed into.
It'll get worse in the wintertime.
Oh, God.
Here, man. Oh, God. Whoa. Look at Freddie. There you go.
Oh, wow, that's a one squished up hot dog.
Yeah.
0 people.
Well, the thing was, I had Zebulon in my hands. I couldn't do anything.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, we'll try and think of things we can do. And
Oh.
0 people.
Yeah. want to help my dad comfortable.
Okay. If that's what you want, and as long as
0 people.
you don't feel like we're pushing you into stuff.
Yeah,
No,
Okay.
alright.
I think I will. I just try and get a
0 people.
vitamin by trip.
Yeah, I think your passport money will cover that, eh?
Yeah. I'm still waiting for it coming down
0 people.
hill.
Okay.
I haven't gotten my passport yet. I keep trying. Keep getting pictures taken. And then I just freaking never get it done. 0 people.
Yeah, I thought that was a big miracle. They let
Stop recording video button for notifications. YouTube. Grouped. Now. News Channel 3. 12. Cool Halloween night. Mild weekend weather. Attachment. 0 people.
Nine. I because maybe church.
0 people.
possibly.
It's boring indoors.
Mm-hmm.
I'm bored.
Howard?
0 people.
Well, I'm sorry if we're making you bored.
Yeah.
No, you're not making me bored. I will let you
Okay.
know.
0
Yeah.
times.
That could drive me crazy because I filmed everything.
Yeah.
0 people.
Don't be standing there trying to pull your pants up sometimes, so come around.
0 times.
You're taking a video of me pulling my pants up.
I didn't do that on purpose, though.
Yeah.
I was doing a cleaning video and I went to talk to him about something, and we're talking away. I'm like, shit, dude, you're putting your pants on.
Yeah.
What the? Oh my god.
Oh, life happens.
0 people.
And everybody rings me back and say, what the hell are you doing with your old mirror?
No? Oh, the crowd's excited now. I think we're up.
0 people.
We're up. The score is 4-1, 4-3 Blue Jays, I think. Yeah, see, I don't even know who these people are. I wish I had followed it better. during the season.
Uh,
But to me, it's like if I don't get together and say, okay, I want to
Zero
watch the game
people.
with somebody, you know, it doesn't occur to me to just put the game on my own. What are we doing here, guys?
Pause video. Viewfinder. 25 minutes. Viewfinder. Image. Double tap and hold to adjust exposure. Zero people.
Oh yeah, for sure. Absolutely. Yeah, for sure. Because we're watching the game, but we're also hanging out and talking and chilling with the kitty.
we're like
And
walkie-talkie. Except we're not walking.
Zero people.
That's kind of weird. Got a weird belly thing going on, Zed. Oh dear. Yeah. Zeb is shaping up though to be a good thing.
Zero people.
So right now I'm working on just training him, right? So I've taken him to a different place, i.e. your house, right? We're doing an event and I'm just making him sit by me and letting me pet him so that when it comes time, somebody else like yourself or somebody, you know, he'll sit and let people pet him forever.
Zero people.
Then I know this with Sabrina. She was in that comfortable with you.
No, I kind of noticed that too. Well, it's probably my fault.
Zero people.
There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people that aren't comfortable with me, but I don't know. Like I said, I'm neurodivergent, and I don't know.
Neurodivergent means something.
Well, in my case, neurodivergent basically means that your nervous system doesn't work quite the same. Like your neural pathways in your brain don't work the same as a normal person's.
Zero people.
And unfortunately, I have ADHD, and it's hard for me to read a room. It's hard for me to know if people are comfortable with me or not. You know? And
Zero people.
well, and I don't know. And the thing was, I don't know what I did wrong or whatever. But
Good old-fashioned jealousy.
I don't know. No, maybe I said something, or maybe I just wasn't.
Zero people.
Wasn't. And here's the thing, Sonny. Not everybody has to like me. I've come to that conclusion because really, Jesus is my best friend.
One face near top
Jesus
right
is
edge.
my
Face
best friend,
near
and
right
He
edge.
will never leave me. He will never. It says in the Bible, it says, "I will never leave you nor forsake you."
Yeah.
Right? And He's never uncomfortable around me. I'm never too much for Jesus. Right? I'm never
Near top
I've never
edge.
overwhelmed
Near
Jesus.
top right edge.
I never
One face near top
faux
right edge.
pas with Jesus, right? Jesus is the one person in this universe that I can totally 100% count on. And that I can't offend him. Right?
Near right
And
edge.
so I don't
Near
have
top
to
right edge.
make everybody like me. Does that make sense?
Near right edge.
Now Zebulon
Centered.
is having much of a good time with a water bottle.
Near top edge. Near right edge. 0
Mr. Kit.
times.
Hey, Mr. Cat. What's he doing?
0 times.
Yeah, I
Face
think-
near top right edge.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do this whole. I'm not gonna film
Stop
this whole
recording
time.
video. Button. Near
But
bottom edge.
I'm definitely, you know, he's had quite a night tonight, and he's had his first time in a pouch. He's been in the car, how many times? Like 3 times? Like once to go to Sunny's, once to go to the harvest party, and wants to come back to Sunny's. So it's been like 3 times already that he's
One
been in the
face near
car.
bottom edge.
And so, oh yeah, everybody loved
Centered.
them, eh?
Near bottom edge.
I made you think that. But when we was in
One face near bottom edge.
You guys think that.
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
Centered.
people have the right to grow and change. And that's the thing. Like
Near right edge.
I've been loved and disowned by so many people in my life, Sonny, that don't really want to understand where I'm at and where I'm coming from. And
One
I'm
face
just
near right
like,
edge.
you know what?
Centered.
I don't. I mean, I'm 46 years old almost. I'm going to be 46 in 3 weeks. I really don't have time to mess around like I did when I was in my 20s and 30s.
I want to take her out for a dog in a bath.
Huh?
Hot dog in a bath.
There you go.
Near bottom edge. Centered. One face near right edge. Centered.
Yeah, for sure.
Near right
For
edge.
sure. No, but like I said, not everybody has to love me. Not everybody has to like me. I mean, I'm not going to get all bent out of shape if somebody doesn't like me. And if you want to like me and if you want to be around me, that's great. You're welcome to. You know what I mean?
Centered.
But anyways, so I'm gonna have a little bit of a break now, and I'm gonna
One face centered.
have some food
Near
and just
bottom
watch the
edge.
game like a normal person.
Centered.
And when the cat comes back around, I will film him again.
Pause video. Stop face near 34 minutes. Face near stop recording video button.